Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials: battery level, charging, and closing heavy apps. Open settings and go directly to battery or power options. This saves time and targets the right controls. Once there, review what the mode will change, because power saving often reduces refresh rates, background activity, and location checks. Make sure to disable immediate sync for mail and apps that drain CPU. By doing these first actionable steps, you reduce interruptions and set a predictable baseline for the next configuration stage. You now choose a preset or build a custom profile. Presets are fast, custom lets you balance performance and battery. Once chosen, lower screen brightness and timeout, and if available, reduce refresh rate. These save the most power. Make sure to turn off animations and limit background data for non-essential apps because they frequently wake the device. Disable GPS and high-power sensors unless needed. After applying these detailed settings, observe estimated battery life changes so you can refine the profile before finalizing. You finish by activating power saving mode and watching how the device behaves over the next 24 hours. This helps you spot problems without guessing. Once active, make exceptions for essential apps like messaging or navigation because they might need background access. If you notice app crashes or miss notifications, revert one setting at a time to isolate the issue. This troubleshooting approach pinpoints the culprit quickly. Finally, if problems persist, disable the mode temporarily and test the device in normal mode to confirm differences.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.